As the king is overlord of the whole land, so is he master over every person that inhabiteth the same, having power over the life and death of every one of them. For although a just prince will not take the life of any of his subjects without a clear law, yet the same laws are made by himself or his predecessors, and so the power flows always from himself. Albeit that the king is above the law, yet a good king will not only delight to rule his subjects by the law, but even will conform himself thereunto. As likewise, although a good king will frame all his actions to be according to the law, yet is he not bound thereto, but of his good will. I grant indeed that a wicked king is sent by God for a curse to his people and a plague for their sins, but that it is lawful to them to shake off that curse which God hath laid on them, that I deny. For a king cannot be imagined to be so unruly and tyrannous, but the commonwealth will be kept in better order by him than it can be by his way-taking. And the duty and allegiance which the people sweareth to their prince is not only bound to themselves, but likewise to their lawful heirs and posterity. So no objection may free the people from their oath-giving to their king and his succession.